What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2015 Honda Odyssey started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start. The vehicle is going to beep, and you can see our stop-start button is blinking. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm just going to hold it up to the stop-start button. And then you'll hear a beep, and you'll notice this glows solid. And now we can start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop-start button. And then once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.